Hey Inspirators, it's Inspiring Vanessa here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I had a very exciting video. I'm actually so excited. I've been seeing this all over my TikTok For You page, and it is the styling my mum's, my dad's old clothes. But because my mum's old clothes are nowhere to be found, even in my grandma's house, I'm just going to be styling her clothes that she currently owns and wasn't wearing when she was in her 20s, let's say. So I think I have quite a good selection of stuff that I'd actually wear and stuff that I still have no idea how I'm going to put together and make look somewhat trendy or somewhat cute to what I would wear. But you know, it's a challenge and we're going to see how this video goes. So make sure to like this video and subscribe by hitting that lovely red button down below, because in that way you become a part of the Inspirators family. And without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. So the first item I'm going to try and put together is, funny enough, this brown cardigan. I had absolutely no idea that my mum even owned brown. So my vision for this is to pair it with a white tennis skirt, white just top underneath, and fingers crossed it looks cute. My thought at the moment is I think it's quite cute. I'm not a massive fan of the way this neckline looks, so I don't know if I can kind of pull it up. Do I like the brown? No, because it's not the same shade, and I'm not gonna do that. Then I also have a white one, so this could work. Okay, this is low-key a fit. Okay, so the pink cardigan is basically the same outfit basis as the brown cardigan. I feel like I like the pink better than the brown. And then if I were to add like a little white shoulder bag, I look like I'm about to go to a tennis game, but not any ordinary tennis game, a tennis court to take Instagram photos. So the next item I'm going to try and style is this hot pink top, and I don't know about you guys, but I get extreme major Elena Gilbert vibes from this top. Like the lace, you cannot tell me she would not wear this. Another item I found in my mum's wardrobe that will complete this outfit 100% is this leather jacket. You cannot tell me, obviously the jeans are mine, but you cannot tell me my mum is somewhat of a Vampire Diaries blueprint. I think I nailed this outfit, but I think this is actually a Vampire Diaries moment. Just imagine me with like straight hair right now. If I wanted to be Elena Gilbert for Halloween, I would totally put this on. And I think if I had the necklace, and I think you can buy them like Amazon or Depop or something, I think it would be the perfect outfit. So the next item is this really cute, I actually love the skirt, is this really cute like green tropical skirt. Honestly, I think this black top goes with it quite nicely. So we're just going to try on a bunch of different combinations and see which one looks the best. Honestly, really cute as well. Why is everything really cute with this skirt? I know it's got lots of colours so you can match it really well, but I was not expecting all of these to actually look like completed cute fits. The colour scheme, cute. The outfit, absolutely not. And the last pairing, I'd say, the last combination is actually, well, this is a bikini, this is a normal top, and this is new. I got it from H&M on a sale. But I also think this is really cute. This is what I mean by we're getting into the hard stuff. My mum's definitely had this for over a decade, so it's quite an old dress. But I definitely get some sort of House of Sunny vibes from this. I won't lie, I don't think this neckline is working. Okay, so I just obviously had to tie it up again twice because it keeps falling out. But I do feel like the cinched in look makes it really classy, but otherwise I think I did quite a good job. Oh my god. One, for me, the animal print, or like, I like animal print if it's like a geometric pattern or it's got some sort of colour, but like actual animal print is a no-go zone for me. I'm actually lost for words. I don't know how I'm going to wear this. I just pulled it up a bit more because obviously I've pulled it all the way down, and that's obviously not how you wear it. I still think this isn't nice. I still don't like this. I mean, obviously it looks a bit more fitted, which is good. Okay, so I've just rolled this up. into a top and just paired it with my black flared jeans. Do I think it looks a teensy weeny bit better? Yes. Honestly, I cannot make this into an outfit I would wear because I'd never wear something like this. Okay, this is actually the next item. I actually really like this top. I'd wear this top myself because one, it's green. I'm still wearing my same black flared jeans that I wore in the last outfit. I think this outfit gives very much let's go to Tesco and look really bougie while doing it, or let's go pick up the kids. This is just a very cute basic outfit, but I think the way it's basic and simple really gives it something. So I really like this outfit actually. It's just a really big no. I look like a teacher. I actually look like a teacher. This is probably the worst. I don't know. Let's see what we can do to spritz it up a little bit. So I've just made it into a halter. It's extremely tight, however. I won't lie, if it's not the type of dress where you put a denim jacket with it, I don't usually know how to style them. I just add jewellery, add heels, and it looks cute. But with this is something different. This is honestly the best it's going to get. If it was made as an off-the-shoulder dress, I do think it would have the potential, but because it's just so flowy, it just doesn't, it's just not for me, you know? Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it just as much as I did filming this video and putting together all these items. Some of them were most definitely questionable, but others I think turned out really nicely. Let me know in the comments box if you like these kind of videos and you have any recommendations for future content. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, because in that way you'll get notified every time I post a brand new video. But without further ado, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!